Hello. Today I'm going to show you where a very elusive part is on the internet, and for those of you that are having trouble with the ignition not starting every once in a while, intermittent crank, what happens is you might be driving for a little bit and then the car won't start. You can hear like a little click, but nothing else happens. After doing a little research, I tried to figure out where this thing called the starter cut relay is, but after doing some research on the internet, I couldn't find any information, so I decided to look at the car myself and tried to determine where that might be. Now, according to the diagram that I found, the wiring diagram on AutoZone, you can locate that starter cut relay in the fuse box, but underneath the driver's side, but whenever I pulled it off, all I seen were fuses. But if you look up above the fuses, you will notice that there are some relays there, and this is in fact where you really find the starter cut relay, which I'll show you right now. If you look back here, of course you have to take this kick panel. The whole kick panel has to come off first, and before you can even take that off, you have to take this door trim off. It's to be able to get to the kick panel. But look back here, if you will. You notice that there are some all these are labeled right here, and as you can see, the one at the very far right, almost to the floorboard, it is marked ST cut, which is in fact the starter cut relay. And if you notice, there are about 3 or 4 relays that are all about the same, each one having its various function. This one here is the fuel pump, the power windows, and so on. But here is the starter cut relay, which I could not find any information on the internet that was very good or very conclusive. Everything was kind of a runaround, so I decided to post this video to help anybody that might be trying to find this relay to test their ignition intermittent no start problem. Once again, this is for a 2006 Honda Odyssey van, but I think that the range goes from 99 on up to 2006 or 7 or something like that. So if you have a similar model with one of those years, it's probably the same. But now all you have to do is pull the relay out and test it, or change it to see if that might help with your intermittent start problem. A lot of people say that they did try to replace this relay, but it still wasn't the problem. They wound up having to replace the ignition switch, which I might make another video on that too if it comes to that. But anyway, that's all I wanted to tell everybody. Thank you.